How to find recently deleted apps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. It acts as a marketplace for apps developed for Apple's iOS and iPadOS operating systems. Users can find a wide variety of apps, including games, productivity tools, and utilities, both free and paid. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Purchase History. You can view all your purchases over here. Tap on Change Filters as shown. Here, tap on Cost. Select Free and tap on Apply at the top right. You can now view the free apps that you purchased as well over here. Following these steps, you can easily find recently deleted apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.